today we are going to just now see the arti and the darshan of Radha-Parthasārathi. You should know this is a very special significance, this deity. How is it Radha and Parthasārathi? We know Parthasārathi is Dwarkadhish Krishna, who has come, you see, to the Kurukshetra to fight, not to fight, but to drive the chariot of Arjuna. So Radha-Parthasārathi means, of course, that Krishna also came to Kurukshetra, and Srimati Radha, Rani, and all the devotees from Vrindavana, they all came to Kurukshetra and met with Krishna again. We are also, you can say, we are, you see, bereft of Krishna. We are not with Krishna today. You see, Krishna has gone back to his eternal Dham. He only comes here in the words of his devotees. He comes in his holy name. He comes present before us in his Archamurti. So, we see that just like Krishna was so kind to his devotee, Srimati Radharani, and and they also reunited nearby here at Kurukshetra. Therefore, Radha-Parthasārathi, that these deities are very kind, so that we can very soon meet with Krishna. So now let us go and see the Lord, see Radha-Parthasārathi, and by their mercy, we can very quickly meet with our eternal Lord, Sri Krishna. Thank you very much.